There are 250 million children in the world, especially in low and middle income countries such as Kenya, who don't achieve their full developmental potential. And this has long-term impact in terms of how they will work in adulthood, workforce, the quality of life.
Education, healthcare and infrastructure are very important for our region in particular, because this is a region that has been underserved for many, many decades. And generally we have been left behind, if you like, with regards to access to these services. We have some of the lowest indicators with regards to children going to school, citizens accessing healthcare, and if you look at the position of infrastructure in this region, it's quite poor. Therefore, for us, those are very key in order to transform the livelihoods and the well-being of the people of northern parts of Kenya.
So a particular gap that we've identified, especially in outlying blocks of counties, such as the Northern Frontier Counties Development Council that comprises 10 counties with 65% of land mass in Kenya, some of the worst poverty indicators in Kenya as well, is the science of ECD and framing policy discussions around what needs to happen to improve the understanding and the advocacy for the science of ECD. And this has provided us a great opportunity to build on many years of work that the network and AKU have done in this particular area.
In selecting the work we want to do with the ECD Workforce Hub, one of the things we have really focused on is how can we fill this gap? How can we train the workforce serving children to have the right skills, to have the right expertise, but also just to be able to come together and learn from each other's experience and improve the quality of services we provide to children.
We've been able to reach more than 800 ECD professionals in the current phase of the implementation of the Playful Parenting Initiative. And our key learning here is that there is a keen interest, and the professionals that have been trained have gone on to train others. They have done sensitization forums. They have reported that it has enhanced the service that they are providing to young children and to families.
The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals are extremely important. They present for us a comprehensive framework in which to view our work on the impact of ultimately our beneficiaries, which is the children. So the framework of the goals, working with partners in government, in the counties, as well as with university and other partners, presents us the capability to work across the full spectrum, from policy to policy implementation to actually making sure that the product of what we are doing actually works on the ground.
Partnership between the UN, Aga Khan University and FCDC is very crucial, because we all have a common objective of improving the welfare of our people and access to education in particular. So I think this is a very important partnership which FCDC, through our leadership, the governors, and all of us in the northern part of Kenya, will really want to strengthen and take it to the next level, so that we can jointly see how we can improve the level of education, access and performance of our children.
The Hub is a virtual platform. All the work we do will be available online. You can access it by phone, you can access it on your laptop, you can access it on any handheld technological device. We will have events that are online live, and all these events will be recorded, so anytime someone would like to access it, they can go and do so and keep in touch. We'll have a network. If you're registered on it, you'd be able to send info, to interact with people on the Hub, and to really be an active member of the Hub for free.